Here the next concept is the properties of multiplication of integers. Okay, then the same properties: closure, commutative, associative, okay, the distributive. Here the first one is a closure property. You know that the closure property, the rule of closure property. In addition and subtraction, a plus b equal to c, a minus b equal to c. In here closure property, here the product of two integers. Okay, the product of two integers, 2 into 3, 2 into 3, 6. Then minus 2 into 3, minus plus into minus. Here the minus plus and minus into plus is minus. Okay, minus 6. Here the minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus, plus 4. Here minus plus 2 into plus minus 3, plus into minus, minus 6. Okay, then the product of two integers, again it is an integer. Here 6 is an integer, minus 6 is an integer, then plus 4 is an integer, minus 6 is an integer. The product of two integers, again the same, again integer. Okay, again is an integer. Now this is a property, the closure property. In general, here a into b is equal to c. A into b is equal to c. Here a, b, c are the integers. For any integers, a, b, c. A into b equal to c. Now this is a rule of closure property. Rule of closure property. Andra ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಗುಣಿಸಿದಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಟಿಜರೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ದ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ದ ಕ್ಲೋಸರ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. The multiplication integers are closed under multiplication. Integers are closed under okay. The integers are closed under multiplication. The next one is a commutative property. Okay, the product of two integers again is an integer. That means the rule of closure property under multiplication is a into b is equal to c. The integers are closed under multiplication. The next one is the commutative property. The second property is the commutative property. Okay, then the rule of commutative property under addition and subtraction, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Then we can add integers in any order, we get the same value. Okay, here for example 2 into 3, 3 into 2, 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. Here 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 2, 6. Then take the 19 2 into minus 3, minus 3 into minus 2, minus 3 into minus 2. Here minus into minus plus 2 into 3, 6. Minus into minus plus 3 into 2, 6. Okay. Then multiply the integers in any order. Multiply the integers in any order. You get a same value on both sides. LHS equal to RHS. Therefore, in generally, the a into b is equal to b into a. Now this is the commutative property under multiplication. The commutative property under multiplication. Then the multiplication multiplication of integers are commutative property for integers. The multiplication of the commutative for integers. Multiplication of the commutative for integers. Okay, the satisfied under multiplication. The commutative property is satisfied under multiplication, and this is a closure property, and this one is commutative property under multiplication. Here the third property is associative property. Okay, here the take an example. -3 into -2. -3 into -2 into 3 into 3. Okay, the next one. Here the multiply minus into minus plus 3 into 2. First take 4. Okay, then -3 into -2 into 4. -2 into 4. Okay, then minus into minus plus 3 into 2 6. Okay, into 4. Then minus 3 into plus into minus 2 into 4 8. 2 into 4 8. Here plus into plus 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. And this one minus into minus plus 3 8s are 24. Okay, then that means LHS equal to RHS. It means the associative property, the product of here this one A, this one B, and this one C. Here A, B, and the C. Okay, then product of three integers. The product of three integers. Here take an example. 3 into 2 minus 3 minus 2 4. Here minus 3 minus 2 4. Minus 3 minus 2. Here minus into minus plus into plus 3 to the 6 6 4 are 24. Here minus into minus plus into plus 3 to the 6 6 4 are 24. It means the product of three integers. The product of three integers does not depends upon the grouping of integers. Grouping of integers. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂಗ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಈಗ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ then this is the multiplication is associative for integers. Multiplication is associative for integers. Associative for integer. The rule of associative property here A into B into C equal to A into B into C. And this is associative property. The multiplication is associative for integers. Okay, and this is associative property. The next one is multiplication by 0. Multiplication by 0. Multiplication by 0. Okay, here multiply minus 3 into 0. So minus 3 into 0. Then the 0. The next one 0 into 4. 0. Then 3 into 0. 0. And that means the multiplied 0 by any integer or any integer by 0, then we get a value is 0. The value is 0. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ನಾವು 0 ದಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 0 ನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Which means in general a into 0 or 0 into a is 0. Okay, means 0. Then multiplication by 0. Okay, the next one is multiplicative identity. Then what is the additive identity? 0 is the additive identity. We can add a 0 to any integer, we get a same value. Then the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Okay, the 0 is a additive identity, then 1 is a multiplicative identity. We can multiply any integer by 1. The 3 into 1 is 3, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, and 1 into minus 2 is minus 2, then 1 into 2 is 2. Okay, and that means that multiplied by integer, the multiply integer by 1 or 1 by any integer, then we get again the same integer. Then integer is an same integer. That means the multiplied any integer by 1, we get a same value. Therefore 1 is a multiplicative identity. It means a into in general a into 1 or 1 into a is a. Then this is the multiplicative identity. Okay, the rule of multiplicative identity. A is any integer. Here a is any integer. Any integer is multiplied by 0 is 0, or 0 into any integer is 0. In the multiplicative identity, the multiplied 1 by any integer or any integer by 1, we get a same value, again the same integer. And therefore 1 is a multiplicative identity. Okay, then the fourth property is the distributive property. Distributive property. Here 3 into 4 plus 2. 3 into 4 plus 2. Then distribute the integers here. 3 into 4. 3 into 4 plus 3 into 2. First multiply the 3 into 4, then second multiply 3 into 4. This is a whole bracket. Multiply 3. Multiply 3 by the multiply 3 to whole bracket. Then 3 into 4 and 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Then this is the distributive property. Here 3 into 4 plus 2. 6. Here 3 into 4, 12, plus 3 into 2, 6. Okay, then 6 into 3, 18, then 12 into 6, 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay, then this is distributive of multiplication over addition. And therefore, in general, a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. A into c. Then a, b, c are the integers. Any integers, a, b, c are any integer. Here 3 into 4 plus, and second group is 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Then therefore the LHS equal to RHS. It means then a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. Then this is the distributive property, the distributive of multiplication, the distributive of multiplication over addition, the distributive of multiplication over addition. Then this is the distributive property. The jacket distributive of multiplication over subtraction. Here, the take A into B minus C, A into B minus A into C. Taken the values. A is 2 into 3 minus 4. The B is 3 and C is 4. Then distribute the values. 2 into 3 minus. Okay. Here the value of C is 4. Value of C is 4. Here 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Okay. Here 2 into 3 minus 4 is minus 1. 2 into 3, 6. Minus 2 into 4, 8. Then plus into minus. Minus 2 into 1 is 2. 6 minus 2 is minus 2. Okay. And this is distributive property over subtraction. So check it once again. You take an example. The A is 3, B is minus 2, and the C is 4. C is 4. Okay, substitute the values. A into B minus C and A into B minus A into C. A into C. Here A is 3 into B is minus 2. B is minus 2 minus of C is 4 equal to A 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2. Then A is 3. 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Here A is 3. A equal to 3. B is a minus 2 and minus of. And this is a minus as it is. The C is minus 4 and A into B. Then A is 3 and B is minus 2 minus of. Then C. A is then 3 and C is 4. Then 3 into here. Then 3 into the minus here. The minus 2 of minus is minus 2 minus 4. Okay. The next one. 3 into 2, 6. Then minus 3 into 4, 12. Here 3 into the minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4 minus 6. Okay. Then equal to 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Plus into minus minus. 3 6 is 18. 3 6 is 18. The 18 is not equal to minus 6. And therefore, then it is not satisfied under subtraction. Okay. And here the satisfied here 3 minus would be 3. C is a 4. Okay. Here minus of minus 2 into 8 minus 8. Then not always satisfied. And therefore, then conclusion is then the distributive of multiplication not satisfied over subtraction. Not satisfied over subtraction. Then these are the properties. First one is a closure property. The second one is a commutative property. The third one is distributive third one is associative property. Then fourth one is a distributive property. The fifth one is the multiplied by 0 and multiplied by the multiplicative identity is 1. Okay. So this is the properties of integers. The properties of multiplication of integers. Okay.